Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. Viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my another video of ikebana flower arrangement ideas, Japanese flowers arrangement ideas, moribana and unique flower arrangement ideas. Viewers, please watch my video till end. I hope you will enjoy my video. Please watch my full video. If you are a new viewer on my channel and watching my video very first time, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the daily updates. Viewers, if you have any demands or any queries, then tell us on comment section. We will try our best to fulfill your demands and will make videos according to your demands. Please don't forget to like my video, don't forget to share my video, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the daily updates. Thank you so much. Viewers, I really hope you really enjoyed my video. Viewers, thank you so much for watching my full video.